The Dhāraṇī of the Eight Goddesses, Ashta Devi Dhāraṇī. Homage to all Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. Then Vajrapāṇi taught this supreme queen of great Dhāraṇī mantras, that is the mother of the thus gone ones, that purifies all misdeeds, that cures all illnesses, that frightens off all vignas, and that brings all manner of prosperity. Nama Sava Tathagate Bhya, Sava Mukhe Bhya, Savata He Buddha Matare, Sava Papanashani, Gaja Gaja Banja Banja, Mada Mada Gambari Gambari, Hasa Hasa Dama Dama, Mata Mata Vidvamsaya, Vidvamsaya, Sava Shatrun Taramati Vimale, Puraya Puraya, Pratijnana Sava Buddha Paryupasiti, Bhagavati Gana Gana Jahi Jahi Vimasani, Kramani Davani Ramani, Matangi Ge Svaha. This is the blessed Dhāraṇī called Consecrated in Great Gnosis. Nama Sava Tathagate Bhya, Sava Mukhe Bhya, Savata Amari Amari, Tata Banja Banja Ja Ja Michi Michi, Spotaya Spotaya Mata Mata Durdāntā Svaha. Nama Sava Tathagate Bhya, Sava Mukhe Bhya, Savata He He Kinade, Sava Tathagata Baneke Bodhim Dada Trata Trata, Hum Pat Gaja Gaja Paramati Vihurike Svaha. Nama Sava Tathagate Bhya, Sava Mukhe Bhya, Savata Bhagavati Prajna Paramite, Asava Papak Sayanakari, Janana Chisparani, Banja Banja Mata Mata Dama Dama, Anaya Anaya Sara Sara Maraya Maraya, Sava Buddha Janetriyai Svaha. Nama Sava Tathagate Bhya, Sava Mukhe Bhya, Savata Garja Garja, Mata Mata Dama Dama, Banja Banja Dundubi, Sava Nirgose, Hana Hana Vidvamsaya Vidvamsaya Motaya Motaya, Daha Data, Vipula Nirmala Nirjate, Dam Dam Ahara Ahara, Gacha Gacha Savabuddha, Paryupasatim Ma Vilamba Svaha. This is the blessed Dhāraṇī called Vajradhātvīśvarī. Nama Sava Tathagate Bhya, Sava Mukhe Bhya, Savata Bhagavati, Sava Tathagata Janika, Puraya Pratijnana Tata Tata Mada Mada, Ahara Ahara, Hum Jati Svaha. This is the blessed Dhāraṇī called Mahāpratisarā. Nama Sava Tathagate Bhya, Sava Mukhe Bhya, Savata Hri Sava Buddha Matiri, Banja Banja Mata Mata Damani Damani, Gagari Gagari Hri Svaha. This is the blessed Dhāraṇī called Unconquered Vajra. Nama Sava Tathagate Bhya, Sava Mukhe Bhya, Savata Trata Trata Muhu Muhu, Sava Papa Vishodhani Svaha. This is the blessed Dhāraṇī called the Relinquishing All Misdeeds. Nama Sava Tathagate Bhya, Sava Mukhe Bhya, Savata Daka Daka Mota Mota, Daha Data, Sava Tathagata Jnana Nirjate Svaha. This is the blessed Dhāraṇī called Durdāntā. Nama Sava Tathagate Bhya, Sava Mukhe Bhya, Savata Ha Ha Mihu Mihu Dama Dama, kahi kahi duna duna, michi michi, Durdāntā dhamani svaha. This is the blessed Dhāraṇī called destroying all maras. Nama sava tathagatebhya, savamukebhya, savata michi michi gaja gaja, spotaya spotaya mata mata, dhamma dhamma svaha. This is the blessed Dhāraṇī called Ananta Mukha Sadaka. Mañjuśrī, anyone in whose hand the Mandala of consecration in great Gnosis is placed, will be free from afflictions and free from peril. Even if they find themselves in the midst of thieves, in the midst of rakshasas, in the midst of enemies, or in the midst of conflict, their bodies will not be pierced by weapons. They will not be killed by thieves and rakshasas, and the like will not harm them. They will have no fear of dying an untimely death. They will always have good fortune, and all their misdeeds will be purified. In a single day, they will come to possess the root of virtue equal to that accumulated by 100,100,000,000 tens of millions of Buddhas. When their time of death has come, the Buddhas and bodhisattvas will care for them, and after they die, they will be born in Sukhavati. Thus it goes without saying that the obscurations of whoever upholds, recites, focuses upon and maintains it without relenting, will be purified. They will close the doors to the lower realms, and they will be very far away from lower rebirths and the lower realms. Any person who recites it once in the morning when they wake, and who fears the next life, will be free from all the misdeeds they have committed. Rakshasas and the like, thieves, weapons, and enemies will not strike them. They will be liberated from untimely death, and they will always have good fortune. When their time of death has come, they will be very far from the lower realms. The Buddhas will care for them, and they will be reborn in Sukhavati. When he had said that, the world with its gods, humans, asuras, and Gandharvas rejoiced and praised him. This concludes the Noble Dhāraṇī of the 8 goddesses.